my gems, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Now I'm just playing. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm doing a little something different. I'm having Miss Ari over here pick the colors out of the crayon case, the matte book. Let me show y'all the colors.
So pretty, don't mind those.
So she's gonna pick 4 colors that we're gonna use today. Go ahead, which one?
This one.
Wait now, which one?
This one. That one.
Touch it, cause wait here. Point at it. Yellow,
That one.
orange,
That one.
yellow,
That one.
blue,
And that one.
white. Orange, yellow, blue, and white. I don't even know. I don't know. We gonna do something. We gonna figure it out. Let's get this thing going, y'all.
And I already called dibs on this pretty brush.
So she got her mirror there. I got my mirror here. Let the magic begin. All right, two.
I'm gonna start with yellow.
All right, you start with yellow.
No, I'm gonna start with white. No, yellow even.
I need to start with my eyebrows.
Wait, do you wipe it on a towel?
Sure, you can wipe it on the towel.
I'm not gonna tell you. I'm gonna let you figure it out. It's a mythical creature with a rainbow horn, and it's all white. If you guess unicorn, you're right.
All right, guys. So we back. All I'm doing is putting a little base on her eye. You know, gotta do it right. So I'm going in with the Becca and I'm putting that as her
Blend
base.
it in.
I'm gonna take Beauty Blend and blend it out. Just trying to help out, you know.
The usual.
All right, guys. So we ready now. We got our base done. I got my brows done. So remember, the colors are white, orange, yellow, and blue. Time to make some magic happen, y'all, because I'm totally lost at this point. Go ahead, too.
I already know what I'm gonna do. Well, maybe I don't, but maybe I do. Like the base is blending in with my white. So what I'm gonna do is.
All right, so I went in with that yellow as my transition color. This is gonna be harder than I thought. Get this brush and do that. You doing what I'm doing?
No. I'm doing something different. That I did before.
I heard that you did before.
Yeah.
That she did before, y'all.
I don't like doing the other eye, so I'm just gonna, every time that I put yellow, all the yellow on this side and then go to that eye. How are you getting it like that?
Getting it like what?
Like that.
Because I'm going like this. Left to right, left to right, left to right. Look, take your brush, go like this. And go left to right. Yep. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna move in same brush and I'm gonna take that orange.
Ooh, we did it. Okay.
And I'm gonna pop that a little further down, but still in the crease area.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. I always put all the yellow on first. I mean, I know you're gonna finish before me because you're going really fast.
Probably not.
Ooh, maybe because yours take a lot of time. Ooh, I think I know what you're doing. Lemon, orange, blueberry eye.
Oh yeah.
I heard that before. You're doing a berry eye.
All right, y'all, so I had that orange all blended in on this eye at least. Go ahead and move over to this one. My orange is all done. Now I gotta go to my left eye.
I just did my left eye.
As y'all see, she doing her own thing over here, y'all.
Yeah, I need to wipe this up the brush. Put too much.
Listen, y'all, this little girl thinks she is a crayon cutie, a baby crayon cutie or something. She loves this little brush cleaner. Do you hear me? When she got her own little makeup palettes going in the back, she come get my brush cleaner. She used this more than me. Here you go, boo boo. You gonna show them how to use it?
If you have a lot of makeup on and you want to take it off, you take the brush and rub it on it to get the makeup off.
Mini tutorial. All right, y'all, so I had that orange all blended in. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this NYX white base. Y'all know I don't like this stuff, but I think I'm gonna take a little bit and
but that's not all I'm doing because that's too simple.
I'm gonna take it on one of these little elf brushes I got, and I'm gonna pack that down for the blue so it can really pop.
I know what I'm gonna do. I need black, but there is no black and I can't use it.
You didn't pick black. There's no black in there. So you gotta wear the colors that you picked, boo.
Okay. Did I pick green?
Nope, you picked white, yellow, orange, and blue. Those were your 4 colors that you picked.
Mommy slow and steady wins the race.
I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. I guess you trying to tell me I'm moving too fast, y'all?
Yes, because if you move so fast, you're gonna get tired really quick. So if you do it really slow, the better.
Okay.
I learned that from the tortoise and hare. Not this hair, the animal's hair. Whoa. I don't know what I just did, and it's pretty.
All right, y'all, so to dry this down a little bit, I'm gonna just take my ring finger and tap on it.
I don't know why people do that. Nobody knows what I'm doing because I look pretty.
On this brush here, I got this one. I don't even know, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and take that blue. Let's work it out, y'all. Let's work it out.
I should have just picked some colors from the light section because they look pretty.
That blue is popping though. Y'all see it?
Yeah.
That is cute.
Yeah. Nobody knows about makeup but me.
Just like that, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. Come on, Flex, stop being disrespectful. Y'all, this is cute, surprisingly. So now, with another brush, this one here, maybe not, I don't want that one, I lied. This little one here that I got from Coastal Scent, number 14. I'm gonna take that white, and I'm gonna pack that in the front.
At the end, if you think her makeup looks better,
You gotta look at the camera.
in the comment section down below, put hashtag Gemini. Or if you think my makeup looks better, you have to put hashtag Princess Unicorn. Or just hashtag Unicorn.
Alright, y'all, she done made a competition. Hashtag Gemini or hashtag Unicorn. Princess Unicorn.
Hashtag Princess Unicorn.
How she just get on my channel, y'all, and take over? How that work? Making competitions and stuff? Child, these kids. Hashtag.
I'm gonna do a thick
I can't with her.
I'm gonna do a thick layer of white. That's what other people do.
These colors in here is everything. They're a little, got a little fallout, but hey.
They're pretty.
They're very pretty.
That's
Pretty.
That looks good. So I need to take this brush and get some orange instead of blue. And I'm just gonna put that right here.
Y'all see all this white that done fell on my face? I told y'all before, when you put 2 different colors on your eyelids, what you supposed to do, Ari? So you don't look like a clown.
Blend it out.
Right.
Mommy, if you think I'm copying you, I am.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that blue and kind of like smoke it out back here, so everything can just blend together.
Now you know the reason why I put white on.
Why?
So I can put colors over it and make them look lighter.
Oh, okay.
And prettier. Then I'm gonna blend it.
Oh yeah, y'all see that? I hope y'all paying attention to my baby because she giving y'all a tutorial. Y'all hear her?
And then I'm gonna put it right here. See how nice it looks.
Y'all see how nice it looks?
Oops, oopsie daisy. Okay, so I did this color, so now I just have to go like that and go and lift the orange.
She got it going on, baby. Y'all see it. Alright, so my primer is dry.
Just like my mama. Now, can't you guys see this foundation my mom just gave me? I'm gonna put that over my face and use sponge. Okay, so I know what I'm supposed to do this. You're supposed to, so you have to put dots. That's what I'm doing. Okay, like this. I know.
You gotta rub it in.
I know, I got this off of YouTube from when the girl, she put on her foundation.
Y'all see she watching other people and not her mama. Ooh!
What? Because it was this girl, like, I don't remember her name, but it was something daily. And then I watched her and then she was putting on her foundation and she did this. That's how I know. But I never see my mom do it on her videos. Do you blend in with this?
With the same side. Alright, so I have all my foundation put on with the brush. Now I'm gonna go back with the beauty blender and blend it out.
What?
Go ahead, girl. You cute.
This is like my real skin tone, but kind of lighter and shinier. I put some on my nose.
You gotta put on your whole face.
I know.
Alright, y'all.
Oh, I
so,
forgot my chin.
no, that's so, let me. Just, it's still some makeup on it. Just do it.
Oh.
Alright, y'all. So for concealer, I'm going in with my Becca Warm Honey.
Concealer?
Yes.
Can I put on concealer? Oh.
Sure, you can. Just finish your
Foundation.
Alright, guys, just like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend this thing out.
What? That's it. Oh, that's concealer. I forgot I left in the foundation.
Cody.
I'm trying to get it as light as possible. Or as dark as possible. I'm a makeup artist, a true makeup artist.
She about to walk around here looking like Ghost, y'all.
What? What is that?
Alright, so I'm gonna take my foundation brush and I'm gonna blend out the edges of that concealer that I just put on.
Okay.
So I don't have no harsh lines. Y'all already know how I go.
Wait, Mommy, the concealer.
Alright, y'all, let me put this concealer on her.
Put it on. I saw
Sure,
you
here you
do
go.
it.
I don't need no pressure, y'all.
Mommy, you start. Mommy, isn't it like this? You start under here, and then you go right there, and there, and then you do your nose, and then that's it.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, y'all, set my under eye. You already know. I got my Maybelline Fit Me and Toffee.
Okay.
Let's go ahead with the go ahead.
Yeah. That's what she's gonna do. Mommy, look. It's like putting lip gloss for your face.
Okay. Yeah. Alright.
Now I have to blend this out with the same little sponge or brush.
Yeah, but use this side.
Yes, and I have to use this side because this side has foundation. I do not want concealer to get mixed with foundation.
Alright, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and contour with my Anastasia.
Wait, this is contour?
No. Y'all already know. Cool Earth
It looks like a lipstick.
foundation stick.
I'm a true makeup artist.
Alright, y'all, it's time for my favorite part. Time to contour this nose, baby.
Where did you put the stick?
Right here, but it's too dark for you. So what I'm gonna do is, for you to contour, you're gonna take this powder right here.
With what?
Take that powder
With what brush?
with this brush.
Okay. This
And
powder?
yeah.
Okay.
Alright. And go like this. Girl, you excuse me. She was doing it before I told her. Y'all saw that?
Mommy, I can't. You made me laugh.
I'm so sorry. All right, y'all. So to set my concealer, I'm actually gonna go in with this shade here. I think it'll give me more of a little warmer tone today. So I'm gonna try it. If I don't like it, guess what?
Look, Maui eyebrow.
Okay. If I don't like it, then oh well.
Oh well. That's what you have. Whatever you have is what you get. Whatever you get is what you have.
So I gotta use whatever color lipstick you use.
Okay. Let me see about this pink one.
Yes, y'all. Yes, yes, yes.
I'll think about that.
I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal while she trying to find a lip color and set the rest of my face. Oh, she found the color, y'all. What's the name of it?
You know, that's a good question. It's called Retro Mac
Relentless.
Relentless Red.
Relentlessly red.
Yeah. I don't know what they're talking about because it's red on the outside, but put it on your lip, it's pink. Yeah. I do your lip, Mommy.
She beating me, y'all. So,
Cause I'm the master in slow and steady
wins the race.
race. Bow lip. Mommy, is this what a bow lip is?
Ooh, sis, I think you got on enough.
I'm trying to fill in my whole lip. If you haven't seen the popsicle challenge, go check it out after you watch this whole video. Stay tuned if you want to see the final look.
All right, now I'm gonna take that orange, pack it in the middle.
Mom, can you see it on my line?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with this cappuccino lip. I did want to use my NARS one today because that one.
Did I do that right?
Yeah, do the other eye. Jesus.
Wait, I don't.
No, don't wipe it off.
Did I do it right? Are you sure? Oh, I'm supposed to go up a little.
Yes, honey, for the wing line up. So now I'm going in with Relentlessly Red.
I'm trying to bring it up a little more.
Baby, this is what happens when you let your kids pick your makeup. Do you hear me?
They beat you. Ready for your final look in 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is the look that she came up with her orange, yellow, white, and blue. And this is the look that I came up with my orange, yellow, white, and blue. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, leave a comment down below for what you guys would like to see next. And don't forget to vote either hashtag Gemini or hashtag Princess Unicorn if you like her look better or if you like my look better. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell as well. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Peace out.